Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anita Mariska, MPM 22,411,036, Class Management 22A. Rise and return. Definition: rise and return. Rise can be seen to be an opportunity for loss to occur. In terms of investment, the loss is a loss of money. Rise means the possibility of an undesirable outcome occurring or the opposite of the desired one. Meanwhile, the rate of return is the profit that will be earned or can be interest as compensation. In the case of investment, this compensation is obtained from inflation in certain investments on goods. Risk and return is risk and return. What is meant by risk and return are current history terms. However, in investment, high return is a profit relationship because both are linear and in the same direction. This is because in implement activities factors that influence risks such as inflation, market mechanisms, economic and political considerations, and many more make investment activities uncertain and give rise to risks as unexpected coordinates such as loans. Meanwhile, returns are influenced by the same factors as risks, but the expected condition. Therefore, it is often hard to guide as the higher the risks, the higher the profit obtained. Vice versa, the lower the risks, the lower the level of profit, or low risk, low return. The relationship between risks and return of return. This is linear of underternal. The higher the rate of return, the more the risks high. The greater the assets with plans in implementation, the greater the risk arising from the implement. Linear condition of only possible in normal market. Risk analysis of an asset. By standing alone, these assets are considered finite. Stand-alone asset risk. The risk that investors will take means in investor only hold an asset. More assets are held in portfolios, but is unable for understanding risk in a portfolio context. Investors dare to invest if the expense rate of return is high to competitor investors for the risk borne. Based on the number of portfolios. This asset is considered one of a number of assets in the portfolio, so when right and rate of return have a close relationship. If you expect a high rate of return, then you must also be profit for the risk you have to bear. Types of risk. Market risk it is also called systematic risk and areas. Those two various market-related factors such as economic and political issues. Interest rate currently fluctuations as this risk has a major impact on investors' rights. The risks are mainly related to the company itself. They can be correlate the drug definition and monitoring credit rights that is related to the credit creditness of the company or business. If the company's financial condition is good, the company will able to meet its current and future obligations and pay in debts on time. This will rise in credit rating. Good credit rise in a return of selling health company finance. Liquidity rise. This is the return of a company's inability to earn good revenues to meet its financial obligations and maintains high working capital. Interest rate rise. Fluctuation in interest result in a company can advance a company borrowing capacity. Inflation causes the erosion of the value of investment and the value of future cash flow. Conclusion. Even though fixed income financial instruments are the finance type of financial instrument compared to other types of investment in the financial market, they are also not free from risks, both in form of systematic risks and automatic risks. In determining investment decisions related to fixed income securities, investor can measure the risk and return performance of fixed income financial instrument is in order to maximize profit and reduce the risk of investment loss by using commonly used analytical tools such as risk-adjusted return, Sharpe ratio, Taylor ratio, and Jason ratio, as well as other analytical tools. The openness of information related by several parties to the public speech, such as from the OJK, Bank Indonesia, and several other data sources, allow investors to independently use these data sources in measuring their investment performance. Thank you so much.